Welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. Today we are at Myrtle Beach State Park doing another budget-friendly vacation, and I am super excited to show this one to you. Let me get you turned around and I'm going to show you camp. So as you can see, camp is pretty good sized. We're able to park 2 vehicles pretty comfortably. Got plenty of room to sit around out here. There's Tony. And we also got to bring some friends, Sandy and Roxy, but we've just been chilling out here. We got our little shelter here up where we're keeping our food in here. It's pretty nice. We brought our new electric cooler. You'll see a review on that coming up later. But as you can see, we brought some extra things with us. We do most of our meals for these budget vacations actually in camp. We brought our coffee pot. We don't buy coffee. We brought the air fryer. But as you can see, we got all kinds of stuff here. Super nice place. Got a nice picnic table. That's been really comfortable. Let's zip it up and keep the bugs out. Let me show y'all around the rest of camp. So we got a fire pit right there. We haven't made a fire yet. We did bring wood with us so that we can do that maybe later on tonight. I got us up a clothesline. This tent here is Roxy and Sandy's tent. I mean, this campsite is actually quite big because this tent is a good size. It's a 2-room tent. We have electric here. So they were able to plug in an air conditioner in there. They said it got down to 72 degrees in there last night. Super comfortable. Put up another little clothesline. We got our own water spigot. Super nice to have right in camp. And my favorite part of this whole trip is our new little camper that we were able to put air conditioning in and have a really comfortable night. Alright, so we're going to go over all the numbers at the end of the video. But I thought you might like to see some of the amenities that comes along with Myrtle Beach State Park. Let's go check some of them out. Alright, so our campsite is right next to this playground. There's multiple playgrounds around the park, but this is a pretty nice one. Lots of things for the kids to do, so if you got kids, it's good to get one of these closer campsites. I'm not sure that there's like 3 or so of these around. Alright, so let's check out the facilities. It's very important to me that a campground have nice, clean facilities, as I'm sure it is to all of you guys. So let's take a look and see what they offer. This is one of the many restrooms throughout the park. Very nice and clean, very well maintained, and it is super air conditioned in here. So if you need a minute just to get out of the heat, this is a good place to come. Check out the showers here. Now there is like 4 or more of these bathroom shower stations. All of them just as clean as this one, just as nice. And you can always usually get into one of them. But now we're gonna go check out my favorite part, the beach. So just over the dunes is where the beach is. Let's go take a look at it. It is amazingly beautiful. Alright guys, so it's that time of the video where I'm going to give you all of the numbers and let you know exactly what I think about Myrtle Beach State Park. I'm going to have to grab my phone because I can't remember all the numbers, but we'll go through everything one at a time and tell you how much it cost. First thing was, we packed our food for the way down so we didn't stop at any restaurants. That cost me $10. I went to Walmart to the bread rack, got some loaves of bread and some lunch meat, made subs, and we ate those on our way down here. So no cost for food other than $10 on the way down. The campsite to rent it for 4 nights, 5 days was $236. And I'm telling you, I think that's a steal for a campsite. Gas, we figured with coming down and going back, obviously is an estimate, but we're thinking we're going to be around $150. Now that is pulling the camper, so I didn't get as good of gas mileage as I normally do with my CRV, but still very reasonable. We did go to the grocery store whenever we got down here, and we bought some different things for like fajitas and stuff like that. We brought our coffee with us, so we didn't have any cost for our coffee because we brought it from home. But we did buy some things at the grocery store down here that cost us $65 at the grocery store. Now, we always go out to dinner at least one time when we're on vacation, and usually it's pretty expensive. So this time we went out for seafood. It was amazing. That restaurant was really great. And we spent $90. I will say one of the bad things about this state park and several others that's on the coast is you do get a lot of airplanes flying over, but you get used to it and it doesn't even bother us. So, all in all, our total for our whole vacation has been $550. I don't know about you guys, but for a 5-day, 4-night vacation on the beach where you can just simply walk over the dunes out of the campground and get to the beach and all the amenities that they have, and as clean as this park is, this is an amazing deal. This is a steal. So if you get a chance, I would give this park a 5-star rating because I think they do a great job. I have no complaints. Other than the airplanes flying over, it's very quiet, it's very clean, it's right on the beach. I mean, you couldn't ask for more. And there's all kinds of things to do if you want to leave the park, like putt-putt and all kinds of things in Myrtle Beach to do. So there is not a shortage of things to do. Alright, that's my review. Thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.